Naledi. Maka. Munyana. I don't know how you feel.
Uze ngenye. But then Bomkosi, I am 100% sure that Fifi Cooper is currently saying those words. I am sure you're all wondering which lies is Fifi Cooper talking about. Before we get straight to it, hi, your family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But then Bomkosi, a Naledi released a video on her TikTok account retelling a story about how she lost her phone while on a rest room. Haike she went on to state that there was a celebrity allegedly who walked in while her phone was there, and then when the celebrity left the restroom, the phone also disappeared. Hayoyazi Mzansi, they're easy to put a 2 and 2, more especially when the person who's telling a particular story is leaving out some links for them to map up a path that is definitely going to lead them to the alleged suspect. Hayoyazi ke, commenters started to comment stating that it is alleged to be Fifi Cooper. Woo, sana, when last did we hear of Fifi Cooper? We all know her as being humble and keeping it cool, calm, and collected. For us to remember her with such alleged news, hayi bandla, isgaxa, sendaba, ngempela, uze ngenye. But Mkosi, please listen to the following video of Aphiwe Naledi detailing on what exactly happened on the day.
Mina kayizini bengise-toilet ne mangise-toilet okay ngingene noNthabiseng mangena noNthabiseng ngishuthe ngithathe iy'thombe ngefoni yami naye yabo, and then aphume and then ngisale e-toilet. Mangisala e-toilet kube khona usisi yabo, kube khona usisi afuna ukushutha nami yabo. Okay, sishuthe ifoni yami isakhona. Okay, ngingene e-toilet ngiphume nefoni yami isakhona. I don't clearly remember ukuthi ngifake ephaketheni or ngibekile while ngiwash izandla. Between those two yabo. Okay, ingene iseleb yabo. Mayingene iseleb angifuni ukusho igama lomuntu because I'm not sure, but ingene iseleb. Malingene iseleb afike e-toilet and then aze eduze kwami. Mayeze eduze kwami angazi noma ifoni uyikhiphile or ifoni uyithathile. Mangena, okay, mayingena afike eduze kwami angimjwayele nje yabo. Mangena Naledi, my baby, we see you, you're doing great. And then magaphuma uphuma kanje, like akaphumi kanje isicapha, like magaphuma akaphumi like isicapha nje asiqonde kanje uphuma uyahlehla. Naledi, we see you yabo, yonke leyo nto leyo. Luckily benginomuntu engilindile emnyango, my manager uDK bekangilindile emnyango. Mangilindile, the girl went straight to the door. Akaphindanga aya kwi-event. She just went straight to the door. Waphuma yabo, wahamba yabo, angengilishi igama lakhe but yeah, uphumile yena wahamba, like wahamba kwi-event, waphuma kwi-building eSandton. Wahamba because it says i-tracker ifoni yasho ukuthi 7 minutes ago uphumile lo muntu, kwavela discam abangaphandle. And then masifika la endlini ebusuku because sivele sahamba sangaqhubeka nje, sivele sahamba. Masifika la sithi siyayi-tracker, ithi se-Alexandra. Okay, and then sazama ke ukuphuma la endlini siye khona, sa-check i-location. And then sathi ngesikwazi ukuthi siye emzini womuntu siyonoka because izobe ngathi yabo siyamhlasela or something. Asiqale e-police station, and then e-police station bafuna izinto ey'ningi. And then we couldn't go siye kuloya muzi loya yabo sayeka kanjalo ke but ngiyamsola lo sisi lo ngiyamsola ukuthi ngeke ngize ngikwazi ukusho igama lakhe but awukwazi like iqondanile yonke into wena ifoni sayi-track 7 minutes ago wena usuhambile wena usukephi mina nje shuthi ngithengele i-celebrate iPhone 12 siyakubongela sisi wami you've won yourself an iPhone 12 not iPhone 12 iPhone 16 siyakubongela kakhulu siyakubongela inkosi kubusisa utholile i-iPhone yakho ongayifukuzelanga ongayisebenzelanga wena nje uyinja nje hayi wena uyinja nje wena uyinja nje uNkulunkulu nje uvela athi imana uthole i-iPhone 16 wena nje uyighost siyakubongela kakhulu sisi wami inkosi iqhubeke ikubusise uthole namaguji ucoshe ngawo ngathi ungacosha nangemoto one day iG-Wagon siyakubongela.
Bathandi bomgosi, niyasibona isibindi sakaNaledi ngathi sithosiwe. Sahamba soyoyiswa le Antarctica, sofakwa kulava, sabuyiswa emzimbeni wakhe because hayi bandla yaze ya brave ingane. And it is how Naledi is always fighting with people. Hayi bandla khona into off yona ikhona. Bathandi bomgosi, unfortunately I am unable to play the video of Fifu Cooper fully explaining on what happened on that day and actually speaking to Naledi on a polite way, telling her ukuthi hayi bandla sisi, you need to slow down because I did not take your phone, baby girlie. And why did you not mention that there and then on that event when they were calling out about your phone, informing people that you lost your phone? Why didn't you say Fifi Cooper took my phone? Allegedly, that is what Fifi Cooper was basically stating in this video, and she was basically speaking to Naledi from a sister to a younger sister, trying to make her understand this industry, baby girl, you need to be careful. Ooh, sana. I mean, I'm always shocked and amazed when a pure Naledi is trending. Uyazi, kukhona into of. That's it for today, but please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.